Hey guys, if you're using Adobe Premiere, the software that was created by Satan, then sometimes you need logo to be animated. What we usually do, we go to some motion graphics website and find something like logo reveal. But in most cases it's a MOGRT file for Adobe Premiere with the background. What we should do. For instance, I have this cinematic logo reveal animation for Adobe Premiere. We have a MOGRT file and we have the project. But let's open this project. You can see this motion graphic, you can see the logo, but you can see the background. For instance, if we go to Crop tab, there is no Remove Background checkbox. In Transform, there is no Remove the Background checkbox. In the group, it's the same. It's in Text placeholder and the logo placeholder. We cannot remove the background, but I want it to be removed. The solution is next. We should open the cinematic logo MOGRT file in Adobe After Effects. File, Open Project, Cinematic logo MOGRT. Again, you can see the black background, but you don't see the layer of the background. Go to Settings of the layer, see this checkbox near the Hide Shy Layers, press it. Now you can see all the layers. Go to the bottom, make background layer invisible. Now you can render it. But you should choose the proper render settings. Output module should be not H.264, but QuickTime file. In format options, choose the animation. In channels, choose RGB plus alpha. Now it's ready to render. I rendered the file, but macOS can't open it, because it has transparent background. But believe me, it will work in your video editing software. Let's drag this rendered file into the After Effects back. New composition from selection, and now let's create solid red layer. Put it on top of it. Now we can see it works. Our logo with the transparent background. You can place it on top of your video. Sorry guys, it's Ukraine and sometimes shit happens. Subscribe to my channel, follow for more.